Hi guys, it's Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing, these are a few of my favorite things. I did not do one of these in December, so this one is sort of December and January so far. All the products and stuff that I've been loving, so let's get straight into it. The first thing I want to share with you comes in this little pot, and it's actually a homemade product. This was given to me by my neighbor, and she's really into zero waste as well as homemade products, and she made this, and this is a balm. It's made, according to her, it's made with beeswax and olive oil only. I will try and get the recipe from her and maybe make it for you guys at some point, because I am loving this. This balm is for lips. I have got some right now. It gives me, kind of feels like a lip gloss balm. Not lip gloss, but you know what I mean. But it can also be used for all sorts of stuff like dry skin, baby's bums, because it's natural. And I am loving this. She gave me the jar as well, which I was very grateful. And I've been using this every single day, and I've barely made a dent in it, and I've had it since before Christmas. That's right, because I swapped it. We did a little bargaining, and I swapped her. I gave her some of my fudge and she gave me some of her balm. Okay, so that is my very first favorite product. Let me know if you guys want the recipe for this, and like I said, I will do a little DIY for you guys and show you how it's done. The next thing I want to show you is something that you've probably seen on my bed a million times already. Is this cushion cover. It says love. I don't know if you can see. Okay, now I got this from Wish, and the thing with Wish, the app, is that it's very hit and miss, and I have quite a few pillow covers from them, and some I'm not so keen on. There's one I'm going to donate soon, but this one is actually made of sort of like a soft microfiber cloth kind of material, so it's really soft, and the print is really, really nice. You can feel the difference there. So sorry, the lighting is not great. I'm actually filming downstairs. I usually film these type of videos in my office, but it's so dark outside that the lighting in my office was terrible. So anyway, yes, this cost me, I'm sure it's like £1 plus £1 delivery. If I can find a link to it, I'll link it, but I've had it for quite a few months. Next product, and I have to put my hands up. I am not big into makeup, but I have started enjoying doing my makeup. I mean, it's not professional, but if you look at some of my old videos, I think I've done a better job. The next product I want to show you is my foundation. Now, if you guys have followed me for a while, you know that I'm a huge fan of number 7 by Boots, but it's £15 a bottle, and I thought, well, let me see if I can find something that I like that's cheaper, and I have. This is Rimmel, and it is the long-lasting finish, and I really, really like it. Now, I got a deal just before Christmas where if you bought 3 items, you paid for 2, and you got a mascara free as well. So I bought a little eye palette, I bought this, and I bought another product that I'm going to show you. But I am really impressed. It doesn't come off very easily. It lasts pretty much all day, and it doesn't make my skin go oily. You know, I've got really oily skin, so after having makeup on for a few hours, I always find that I get like shiny. Not with this one. So this is the Lasting Finish by Rimmel, and I didn't think it was very, I think it was like £8.99, so good price when I pay for the Boots ones, £15. Now, at the same time, the other product I got was the InstaFlawless. Let me show you. Okay, and I really like this. This is kind of like a tinted moisturizer. Let me see what they say. Perfecting Radiant Skin Tint Okay, I still moisturize and then I put this on, and it doesn't give me full coverage, but it just gives me a little bit of an edge, and I really, really like it. And I actually, like today, I put moisturizer on and then I put this on and then I put my makeup on. Yeah, so I really, really like that. There is a shade, I think, oh, this is medium dark, sorry. Let me just tell you that my foundation is True Nude, and it's a little bit too dark actually. So what I might do is go back and get the next level down. I think this would be better for summer, and I know you guys can't probably tell, but when I put it on, I can tell that it's a little bit too dark. So now the other thing I got was a free mascara, and I am blown away by this mascara. I am not wearing it today. This is my a little bit extra mascara because it gives me like the little spider, you know, long lashes that I don't have. I've got very small lashes. I'm wearing my everyday mascara today, which is a Max Factor that my mother-in-law gave me that I really like as well. But this one, if you're looking for that extra, this is the wand. It just curls them up, makes them big. So if you're on the market for one, this is Wonderfully Real. Awesome. And I got that for free. This was a deal, like I said to you guys, before Christmas in Superdrug. Now, moving on to my other favorite kind of stuff, which is cleaning products. I have always been so jealous of the American products because they've got Mrs. Meyer's and what else? Anyway, other stuff that sounds like it smells amazing, if that makes sense. And all we have is Method. Method is expensive. I only buy it when they're in promotion. And I like the idea. And by the way, sorry, they don't have anywhere near as many smells as they have in America here. So I'm always on the lookout for new stuff. And I was pleasantly surprised by Tesco's last month. They do a eco-active pink grapefruit multi-surface cleaner. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can see eco-active Tesco's. Now I can't quite remember the price, but I want to say it was like £2 for this big bottle. I really like this. Let me tell you what it says. Plant-based, non-toxic ingredients, cuts through grease and grime, and I totally does that. I was really impressed that Tesco's have now brought out a line. Am I late to the party? Have you guys like, girl, they've had that for years? I've only just found it, okay? So I was really impressed with it. And then I went to Waitrose, popped in just after Christmas, just having a little look around, and they have got a huge range, say huge, but like 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 different brands of eco products. And I decided to try some, and wow, this just blew that Tesco's one out of the water. This is Rose and Wild Mint Multi-Purpose Cleaner. I don't know, sorry, it's not very, you can't see it very well, but it's by a company called Cleanology, okay? And this was $2.50, which is kind of on par with the Method cleaner, and it smells amazing. Now, I probably would not buy this for the kitchen. I'm quite happy to use this, say, to clean some of my furniture, not the wood one, of course, but you know, the white stuff that I have from IKEA. I like the scent, but I don't think it's a kitchen scent, if that makes sense. For me, kitchen smells, and you might be different, tend to be more lemony or herb inspired, but they had others, so I will definitely go back. And I know they also had some bathroom ones, so I want to try those as well. But it smells so good, so good. Try it out. Cleanology Rose and Wild Mint with essential oils, non-toxic. My goodness, that was hard. So there you go. Love that. I then decided to try as well some washing up liquid. If you guys know, I get dermatitis from stuff like Fairy, and Method seemed to be the only one that worked for me where I didn't get it. I then found out that 7th generation, which you can get in Tesco's as well, also does a great job. I don't like it as much as Method, but it's a lot cheaper, it's half the price, and it works, you know, as in it doesn't give me dermatitis. So when I went into Waitrose and I spotted this Waitrose Ecological, this one is grapefruit and eucalyptus. It smells amazing, and Waitrose have a range of cleaning products with these. And again, I want to say this was $150, so no, not overly priced. You know, because Waitrose can be a bit on the expensive side. And I'm loving this. Oh, it smells so good. Really, really, I recommend this line. And I'm keen to try as well. They have multi-purpose of this brand. And this is actually, like you see, Waitrose's own brand. So I've been very, very happy with all the products I found. The last thing I want to talk about is glasses. Now, you guys might remember that I got these glasses from Firmoo a few months back, and I have been loving them ever since. The customer service was great, and yeah, they look awesome, right? So when Firmoo reached out to me again and asked me if I wanted another pair of glasses, or maybe if I wanted to give one of you guys a new pair of glasses, I said yes. So if you would like a new pair of prescription glasses, go ahead and leave me a comment below just saying that you want to be entered into this giveaway, and then I will select someone randomly by the 20th of January, and I'll get in touch and tell you if you want it. And then I will give you all the information so you can just ask for your glasses. You will need a prescription, but don't worry, I will give you all the information you will need once you've won it. Now, they have amazing offers on at the moment, and I will leave those in the link for you guys underneath, so go ahead and check them out if you're interested. And they ship worldwide, so this is open to everyone. Wherever you are, they will ship them. So that is it, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, give me a little thumbs up. If you have any recommendations of other products that you guys have tried and really like, let me know in the comments, because I love trying new stuff. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.